The Affri 3332 MRSA is a motorized automatic hardness tester. It carries out Rockwell and Brinell HBWT tests with accurate results from the first test. At the press of a button, the tester does its work and produces the reading. The Affri 3332 MRSA is equipped with Affri patented technology with load cells controlled by a closed-loop system, designed to reduce the margin of uncertainty. Test force is electronically controlled with 1,000 pulses per second and 0.05% load accuracy. In the event of structural failure or bending, the measuring head follows the surface of the piece while maintaining the test force. The Affri 3332 MRSA does not need to be leveled and is not affected by external vibrations. The clamping system holds the sample in place prior to testing, ensuring perpendicularity and stability during testing. The test width and height are fully configurable based on the size and geometry of the piece to be tested. Extremely precise results can be obtained even on unstable, dirty, oily, unbalanced or heavy pieces. There is no risk of the sample moving or producing an incorrect reading. The Affri 3332 MRSA is interconnected with the company network in real time, in line with Industry 4.0, and automatically transmits each measurement to the Company Management System, or SPC, Statistical Process Control Systems. The rapidity, repeatability, and test speed of Affri systems make them the gold standard in hardness testing.